Hey everyone, NFL season is back. Who's ready? Look at this. I have a Chargers bag. Yes, I'm a Cali girl, guys. So, of course, I go for the Chargers. You probably look at me and you're like, oh, that's a Raiders girl. Hell no. Okay, I'm a Chargers fan all the way. And I found this super cute bag at Sam's Club for guess how much? Guess how much this legit NFL bag cost me? 14 bucks at Sam's Club. And you know what? As soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm bedazzling this bolt right here. It's a patch. It already came like this, guys. And you know you need those see-through bags for the stadium. So let's get ready for the season. I'm going to bedazzle it. Let's get started. So to begin, I am going to be using Liquid Fusion. I love this glue for when I am bedazzling on fabric. I do have my precision tip bottle that already has a Liquid Fusion in it. Of course, I am also going to be using my pickup tool to pick up my rhinestones and bedazzle the patch. I have my tray to keep my rhinestones nicely organized. And my rhinestones. I am going to start off with this beautiful jelly yellow rhinestone. Of course, as usual, I will have the materials linked down below for you to make it easier if you are interested in bedazzling your bag to whatever team you go for. In this case, it's the Chargers. Let me know what team you go for. And rhinestone size, I will tell you as I am bedazzling. So I am starting off with the yellow part of the bolt. So to start off, I am using the yellow ones in the size SS12 and SS6. So here you go. Let's begin bedazzling. So I am starting off in sections. As you can see here, I applied the Liquid Fusion and I am using a toothpick to spread out the glue just to make it easier to apply. Remember, when working with fabric, the fabric does suck up the glue very quickly, so just make sure you apply a nice decent amount. And then I started applying the rhinestones using the SS6 for those tiny corners, and then going in using the SS12 to fill in the rest of the bolt all the way across. Again, working by sections and making sure my glue is fresh and that the rhinestones are placed nicely in the bolt, not overlapping to the blue areas. So very simple and easy to follow. I did 3 rows across the bolt, as you guys can see here. And sorry, it is a little bit off. You know, it's like focusing on and off. I'm a little rusty, guys. So this is how the bolt looked once I was done. Now I am going to do the white areas of the patch using a jelly white rhinestone in the size 12. This is the size I am using all the way across. I'm going to follow the edge once again using my Liquid Fusion and working by sections. So I was thinking of bedazzling the blue areas as well, but they were just very thin. The rhinestone I had, the blue one, was a 6 SS6, and it was just too small and it was overlapping to the white areas and it was just bothering me. I didn't like how it looked, so I just skipped it, left it alone. But I do love how it still looks. I feel like the blue does stand out between those rhinestones, the yellow and the white, and I just love how it came out. So as you guys can see here, I'm following the white line. Very easy to do. So yeah, I just love how it came out. I've been looking for a backpack or a bag with the bolt patch on it so I could bedazzle it, and I just came across this one at Sam's and I could just not pass it up. I already knew what I wanted to do with it as soon as I saw it. I love the results. Let me know if you're going to bedazzle your bag if you're a Chargers fan or whatever team you go for. Same concept. If you have a patch on your bag, just use the same glue, Liquid Fusion, and go ahead and order your rhinestones and bedazzle it. Very easy. And look at that. So these are my final results. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Let her completely dry before you use her for at least like 24 hours. And she's ready to go, guys. Let's enjoy this season. Let's go Chargers. Let me know what you think. Let me know what team you go for. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and stay tuned because, guys, I've been missing doing some bedazzling. I've been just focusing on other stuff. But, guys, let's go back to DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.